We all want to save money, and whether it's by denying yourself that $4 mocha latte once a week or putting off an exotic family vacation, everyone has their own way to save. In this video, we're going to give you some amazing money-saving tips. 10. Eliminate your debt. If you're trying to save money through budgeting but still carrying a large debt burden, start with the debt. Not convinced? Add up how much you spend servicing your debt each month and you'll quickly see. Once you're free from paying interest on your debt, that money can easily be put into savings. A personal line of credit is just one option for consolidating debt, so you can better pay it off. 9. Set savings goals. One of the best ways to save money is by visualizing what you are saving for. If you need motivation, set saving targets along with a timeline to make it easier to save. Want to buy a house in 3 years with a 20% down payment? Now you have a target and know what you will need to save each month to achieve your goal. Start by thinking about what you might want to save for, both in the short term, 1 to 3 years, and the long term, 4 or more years. Then estimate how much money you'll need and how long it might take you to save it. Common short-term goals: emergency fund, 3 to 9 months of living expenses, vacation or down payment for a car. Common long-term goals: down payment on a home or a remodeling project, your child's education or retirement. 8. Pay yourself first. Set up an auto debit from your checking account to your savings account each payday. Whether it's $50 every 2 weeks or $500, don't cheat yourself out of a healthy long-term savings plan. 7. Stop smoking. No, it's certainly not easy to quit, but if you smoke a pack and a half every day, that amounts to nearly $3,000 a year you can realize in savings if you quit. According to the Centers for Disease Control, the percentage of Americans who smoke cigarettes is now below 20% for the first time since at least the mid-1960s. Join the club. 6. Take a staycation. Though the term may be trendy, the thought behind it is solid. Instead of dropping several thousand on airline tickets overseas, look in your own backyard for fun vacations close to home. If you can't drive the distance, look for cheap flights in your region. 5. Spend to save. Let's face it, utility costs seldom go down over time, so take charge now and weatherize your home. Call your utility company and ask for an energy audit or find a certified contractor who can give you a whole home energy efficiency review. This will range from easy improvements like sealing windows and doors all the way to installing new insulation, siding, or Energy Star high-efficiency appliances and products. You could save thousands in utility costs over time. 4. Utility savings. Lowering the thermostat on your water heater by 10 degrees Fahrenheit can save you between 3 to 5% in energy costs, and installing an on-demand or tankless water heater can deliver up to 30% savings compared with a standard storage tank water heater. 3. Pack your lunch. An obvious money-saving tip is finding everyday savings. If buying lunch at work costs $7, but bringing lunch from home costs only $2, then over the course of a year, you can create a $1,250 emergency fund or make a significant contribution to a college plan or retirement fund. 2. Create an interest-bearing account. For most of us, keeping your savings separate from your checking account helps reduce the tendency to borrow from savings from time to time. If your goals are more long-term, consider products with higher yield rates like a Regions CD or Regions Money Market account for even better savings. Number 1. Annualize your spending. Do you pay $20 a week for snacks at the vending machine at your office? That's $1,000 you're removing from your budget for soda and snacks each year. Suddenly, that habit adds up to a substantial sum. Do let us know in the comments if you have more tips for saving money. Thanks for watching.